So next we're going to work on some more wrist mounts. It's actually the same mount. There's 3 cool ways to get into it. And I'm going to bring you through each one of those ways. The first way is to do an under whip. I'm going to show you what it looks like first, and then we'll bring you through how to do it. So if you don't remember, this is a wrist mount. This is how you normally get into your wrist mount. You usually just go over. Spirit bomb's a great trick. If you haven't learned it yet, go learn it, because it's really worth learning, and then you can throw all these cool variations in. The first variation is if you pinch the string. I'll show you what it looks like. You throw it over and it goes over your hand. Then you can actually throw the yo-yo into that and you're in a wrist mount. Looks just like that. Let me show you how to get into that now. So what you do is you pinch like I was saying. Non-throw hand pinches that pointer and thumb. And what you do is you take your throw hand and throw the string over. You don't want it to hook on the yo-yo. You actually want it to hook around your hand, like so. So have your hand ready there as it's coming over to do so. So it looks like this. You throw it over, and it comes right over your hand like so. Let me show you one more time. My hand's going to be here waiting for that loop to come over, like that. Sometimes you actually can even reach over and hook it. So it's like that, and it comes right over. Now you'll notice you have your triangle already. You've got the string coming through the center. If you land it through there, you're in a wrist mount, and you're all ready to do a complicated trick like Spirit Bomb. One more time. It's the under whip wrist mount. It's also been referred to as a cheese whip.